So now we have 5 questions to expand brackets. Pause the video, try it on your own before you press play to see the answers. And so that way you can really test yourself, right? All right, so let's go right ahead and try these questions. So number 1, so we have y plus 6 in the first bracket multiplied by y plus 11 in the second bracket. Everything is plus, so all your answer, everything is going to be plus as well, right? All right, so let's go. So y by y is y squared. So y times y squared. And then y times 11 will be 11y. Right? Good. So we have that part covered. And now the inner number now, that's 6. 6 by y is, 6 times y is 6y. And then 6 times 11, so we get plus 66. And then we just simplify here. So we get y squared plus 17y plus 66. So far, so good, right? All right, so let's go on to number 2. Now, number 2, it's all addition as well, all positive. So you don't have to worry about any negatives, right? Not just yet. So, okay, so m by m will give me m squared. And then m by times 14 will give me 14m. And then let's go in the bottom now here. 14 by m is 14m. And then 14 times 14, we will get plus 196. And let's just simplify. We're going to get m squared plus, simplify these two. 14m plus 14m is 28m plus 196. Nice. Let's go on to number 3. Now, number 3 has a negative in it. So let's just pay a little attention to that. So let's go. X times x is x squared. X times negative 10. So positive by negative is a negative. X times 10 is 10x. Let's go at the bottom now. 5 by x, both positive, plus 5x. And then positive 5 times negative 10. And that'll give us negative 50. Our final answer will be x squared minus 10x plus 5x will give us minus 5x. And then minus 50. Final answer there. Alright, number 4. So number 4, k times k is k squared. K times 9. Those two are positives. That's positive 9k. Minus 3 by k. That gives us times positive 9. That's minus 27. So you get k squared plus 6. 9 take away 3 is 6k minus 27. And now on to our last question. So here we have x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 5 will be negative 5x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Then we have negative 7 by negative 5. Negative by negative is a positive. 7 by 5 is 35. And just simplify the inner piece here. So you get x squared minus 12x plus 35. And that's it. Now again, I'm just going to say it one more time just to make sure that everyone understands on the same page. Make sure you go over the directed numbers video, because you really need to know, like, when you're multiplying a negative by positive, positive by a negative, and so on. It's really important that you need to know this in order to even the addition and subtraction as well. You need to know that in order to do this properly, right? Okay, I'll see you all in my next video.